Alright, so for the competitive season meso cycle, what I would want my client to do is 3 to 4 sets on all his exercises and 8 to 12 reps for each set. I'd want his intensity of every workout to be 70 to 90% of the 1 rep max because this is full-blown competitive season. But we're not going to go above 90 because we're not trying to do a 1 rep max here. That's for powerlifting. We're doing bodybuilding, so that's different. Um, I'm going to want him to do 45 to minute to 1 hour training sessions every time he works out, and then also 30 to 45 minute cardio after the workout or whatever time of the day that he wants. And then for the macro cycle, same thing, 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps, 70 to 90% of 1 rep max every training session, and then an hour to an hour and a half training sessions, and 45 minutes of cardio every day.